Welcome to Genelec Experience Centre, Rajkot, Gujarat. The AV market is filled with too many options, myths, endless upgrades, and therefore finding solution for proper sound is quite challenging. At Cinevogue, what you hear is what you get, whether it's your room, home theater, private space, or any commercial area. I am Munjal Rathod, the founder of Cinevogue. We worked upon multiple concepts, designed a room in such a way that we had comfort, luxury, aesthetics, lighting, with sonic clarity. While designing this facility, we wanted to create a room which would replicate a real-life scenario for the clients. Our aim was to create a room without compromise. Traditional systems have challenges in delivering sound consistently because of the challenges like matching the amps, crossovers, cabinets, and the DSP. In Genelec, we have crystal clear imaging because of the inbuilt active solution provided by them. On demo, we have the classic 8000 series paired with the F1 and F2 subwoofers, the SAM monitors which can be calibrated. We also have the ones which are used for high-end listening. They are also calibrated with the GLM software. The case studies which we have gone through have proven that Genelec has been the choice for achieving this kind of sonic clarity.
Designing Genelec Experience Centre was a totally different experience for us rather than designing a traditional home theatre. We wanted to experience different colors, different textures. There was some wooden flooring, there was some carpets, brought more liveliness, more homely feeling to the space, more premium touch. As an architect or interior designer, we always want to experiment or create a different space. When it comes to a home theatre, it is very rigid. They just go for the acoustic panels. Genelec offers a good calibration system. So that handles the technical part of it and leaves us to design and create more beautiful spaces with different kind of materials that we want.
Trust me, it is something you have to experience. I have seen it happen before. People come in, sit down, and in minutes, they get completely immersed. They start noticing the details, layers of sound, which they haven't heard before. It's intimate, it's personal, and honestly, you have to experience it.